Hi, let's talk real estate and relationships. My brother died recently, and so I know what it's like to be the person who's supposed to handle an estate. I understand that there's a whole lot of questions to be asked when it's time to liquidate assets, or when it's time to sell a family home, or when it's time to just move on. So, rather you yourself are the person doing the moving, or rather you are responsible for family to be moving, I want to encourage you to do a couple things. First off, look for a local real estate agent. They don't have to be the hottest agent out there, but make sure that they're familiar with the area. Make sure they've been in the area for a while, and make sure that they know what to do with your particular property. Another thing to think about is what are they going to do? It's okay to interview more than one, because how are they going to market this property for you? Are they going to help you know that just by touching up paint or putting doors back on hinges that you can get more money for the property? Or are they just content to sell as is, and you take the hit? And I'm not saying that that's a bad thing. I'm just saying that you need to interview to know what your options are. And third, make sure you get somebody you can work with. Make sure that you get somebody who is concerned about what you have need for, rather it's support or, you might want somebody to do it all and just tell you what's happening and be done with it. And you may want somebody to hold your hand and talk about it all the way through. So make sure that you get a real estate agent that will help, because life changes, and life changes can be hard, but they don't have to be costly too. Thanks for listening.